Yeah, happy. Obviously, we knew that it was going to be Group A or B, but yeah, we're back in Baku, which obviously we've got good memories of recently. And the first 2 games in Baku as well, which is a plus.
Yeah, as you say, it's a journey that starts back in Baku against Switzerland for the first one. What were your initial thoughts on that one?
Yeah, probably wanted to avoid playing Italy and Rome for the first game. So yeah, 2. I think Italy will be favourites, and then the rest of us are pretty competitive. So yeah, it'll be a big game. Obviously, like I say, against a couple of teams who will be probably fighting for second place, but they're a good team. I followed them during the qualifiers. Obviously, they were in with Republic and Denmark. Watched a lot of the games recently, and they're a good team with a good manager.
You mentioned that final game there in Rome against Italy. How important is it then that we secure positive results in both those games out in Baku before heading over there?
Yeah, of course it is, because that is a tough game, going to Rome and playing Italy. Hopefully they've got 6 points and we'll play the reserves. And it'll be slightly easier for us, but no, we just have to look after ourselves. And we've shown, especially recently, that we're a match for anyone. And yeah, we know that if we have all the players available, we can compete against any country.
Italy have been giants on the international stage, but are they as strong as they used to be?
No, I mean, I think they've had a quiet time and they've come back in a big way. They've got a top manager, obviously who I know well, who's been in the Premier League, won the Premier League, and yeah, 10 games in the qualifier, 10 wins. So they've got a very talented young team, and like I said, they'll be favourites to go through.
There's lots to think about now in terms of planning and logistics. I imagine that will all begin on Monday. Does it help, though, to have those first 2 fixtures together in Baku before having to go over to Rome?
Yeah, I mean, it's an advantage that we've been there recently. And we now have got the opportunity to potentially to base ourselves there. So after the game, you're not flying off, and within half an hour you can be back at the hotel recovering. So these are all things that we need to talk about. The best scenarios, the facilities, the heat, all these things we have to take into account. But like you say, we'll do that over the coming weeks.
Of course, we've spoken about this recently. It's something that you never did as a player, but such a huge achievement to lead Wales to this competition as a manager. Yeah, tonight
was a proud moment for myself. But like I've always said, it's not about me. It's about Wales as a country competing every tournament, competing and getting to a major tournament. And we're in a good place at the moment. We've got a good crop of young players coming through, and now they're going to get a taste of what it's like in the Euro. So, yeah, exciting times, but also not taking anything for granted. We have to turn up in every game, every minute, otherwise you come unstuck.